Hi, this is from. I was just calling to let Carly know I should be there in 1 minute. I'm almost there.
Yeah, this is the wrong number. Are you trying to call up 60?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, I'll go ahead and transfer you.
Oh, thank you. The number they gave me.
Chris, this is Leo.
Hi, this is from. I was just calling to let Carly know I'm almost there. Do I meet her by the intake building, or it says intake on there?
Okay, I'll go ahead and find out.
All right.
Let her know to come out.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Fuck, this will look out nice. I'm a delivery driver.
Yeah, I need a ride back to.
I'm sorry, man. I'm a delivery driver. I'm working right now. I can't give a ride. It's against company policy. Sorry.
What are you talking about? You're supposed to pick me up there.
No, I'm a delivery driver. Sorry.
Well, then go ahead.
Hi there. For Carly?
For Carly? Rachel?
It says Carly on there.
Carly?
Yep.
I don't know where that came from.
It was a.
Yeah.
I tried to call this number on here, and it went to the wrong number, and then I was transferred to a different number.
Yeah.
So I don't know
Yeah,
what's
our
going
phone
on with that.
system is weird.
So the total was 1232.
There you go. I'm
Thanks.
sorry, our phone system is weird. Would
Have a
you
good
like
night.
somebody that can
Okay.
actually pay you?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, so you're gone?
Yeah, I gotta go. Sorry about that.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Fucking delivery driver, dude. Taxi. Alright, is this guy fucking kidding me? He gave me exact fucking change. Oh my god.
Your balance is $73.99. Good evening, thank you for calling Community Bridges. Sir, how can I help you?
Hi, my name's. I'm a delivery driver. I was just calling to complain. I just made a delivery there. There's a drunk guy in your parking lot. As I drive up, he stands right in the middle of the way, so I can't even pull into the parking lot. Then he stops me, starts yelling at me to give him a ride. I get past him, I drive up and make the delivery. The person I delivered to gives me exact change, and then as I drive away, the drunk guy walks up again, starts yelling at me and calls me a motherfucker. So I normally work at nights. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to be sure to tell my manager I am not delivering there anymore at nights because it is not safe when you have people in your parking lot. And the person who I delivered to just kind of laughed about the guy yelling at me and cussing at me, and I don't appreciate that one bit.
I am really sorry for that, sir.
All right, well, thanks. If you guys want deliveries at night, you can call the manager and talk to them about it because that is unacceptable. It's an unsafe delivery environment when I pull up and a drunk person is yelling at me and calling me a motherfucker through my window, expecting me to give him a ride. And the person that I delivered to just laughs about it. That's crap.